came from Hungary. I teach in a secondary school in the east part of the country, Debrecen. We have a bilingual education program. That means part of our lessons are done in English for the Hungarian students. I'm a teacher of geography and history. And for this reason, I have to deal with climate education partly in my teaching approach. I wanted to have a little bit deeper insight of the latest scientific developments in the topic. And also I came here to get new approach, both methodologically and in the everyday activities. I really find it important that we were filled up with the very latest scientific research and outcomes. I really appreciated the high-level scientific approach, so thank you very much for inviting those scientists and PhD qualified people from all over the country and all over the world. And I really like the future scenario activities when we had different approaches, a pessimistic and an optimistic one. And in this small group work, we had a look at the possible scenarios for small villages and big cities that I definitely will try with my students. I definitely would try to do these small group activities and also I would provide scientific data for my students to explore and research for their own and present to the class. Very intense and very thorough.